Hi, Mary Lou. It was wonderful to have an opportunity to chat with you. I had a great time too. Plus, anytime when I am in a conversation with you, I learn so much. You are so wise. Um, Speaking of text to audio to text, right now I am using the text function on my phone. So actually a lot of occasions, as long as you could do text, computer input included, it also have that would also have the audio to text function. So for example, I'm on the text app right now. You see how on the screen I have this button. So right now I have the Chinese set up. So suppose I want to click and change the language into English. Now see what happens if I click this on. Hi, Mary Lou. It was so wonderful to talk with you. I hope your weekend was a good one. And I also hope that you will take good care of yourself. Enjoy your retirement. Thank you. Done, you just click like done. Of course, I have the Chinese on my screen because that's how I do a lot of my content that's teaching related, so that I don't have to type the words. I don't have to type all the words I wanted to use for teaching. So of course you do have certain kind of things I need to go back and correct, right? So something like, so I want to make a correction. Say hi, Mary Lou. It was so wonderful. I'm sure it picked up some accent from me. That's why some of the content are not perfect. So it was so wonderful to talk with you. I hope your weekend was a good one, and I also hope that you will take care of yourself. Enjoy your retirement. You see, the accuracy rate is pretty high, right? So I hope this helps you. Let me know how it turns out for you. So actually, so this is one. So let me go, before I end the video, let me go back. And since I mentioned some of those apps. So this is an app that came with, I think this came with Samsung Notes. I'm using an old Samsung phone. So when the Samsung has this app that comes with the phone. So in this case, if I want to create a new note, I just click the new document button. And then of course I had not used this for a long time. I can just create another document right here. So this is a blank document. What I need to do is, maybe I want to create a journal, for example. So if I say click, now is the font, the language would be in English, of course. So let me see. Suppose I want to record a journal for today. November the 12th, Tuesday. It's a clear day today. I got up very early. The temperature was very low. So when I walked out of the house, I felt chills. But eventually it turned out to be a beautiful day. You see how this note function was able to turn majority of my audio content into words with decent accuracy, and you can always go back and make some edit. Speaking of go back and do editing, I prefer to do my editing on the phone, on the computer, so that I don't have to hold the phone. I have some issues with my arthritis. I have some arthritis issues and carpal tunnel, so I try to avoid using the phone majority of the times. In that case, I am using another app that requires a Google account, which is easy because Google accounts are all free. So with the Google account, there is a function, it's called Keep, Keep. So when you go to Google Store, even if you have an Apple phone, if you go to the App Store, you can look for, let me see, when you go to the App Store, you look for Keep. So search for Keep. And then it's an app. So basically it's a note-taking app. So you want to look for Google Keep, this one. All right, because I already downloaded, so I don't need to download another one. So it will look like this, and then I would open, and it will take me to this. So in order to create a new page, I will just open, and of course I want to do text. Now it would allow me to create a text. So of course I can always say good afternoon, right? But if I want to create text with audio to text kind of a function, I just click I press the microphone. Good afternoon. Today is November the 12th. It's a Tuesday. The weather this morning was chill, but then right now it's looks very comfortable. I can't wait to get off for my duty and be able to take a long walk in the park. How fast the writing can turn out to be, and of course you always need to go back and do some editing and see if the text is accurate and punctuation is right, and so on. So that's pretty much it. You can do something similar like this with a Google Doc or document. I find that it is super convenient to do it on the phone because it's portable and you can do it. You can record your content and turn that into text anytime. In order to do the editing on the computer, as long as you have a Google account, you can go to so this content I just recorded is also is also in your Google account already. So once you log on to the Google account, then you will be able to access the content and be able to do, copy paste, to do editing, to share, whatever you want. So I found it super helpful and very efficient. So I hope you find this beneficial as well. Good luck to you. Take care.